Hello, my name is Tyler, and today we're looking at the Roland SP300I. We're just going to go over the general cleaning, so we'll go ahead and get that started now. For your maintenance, you're going to go into menu, down to submenu, then to maintenance and cleaning. The maintenance cover is on the left side of the machine, so you'll just open the front cover here, loosen the screw down here, and then loosen the screw that is on the top here, and the maintenance cover should just slide right out. For this, we're going to be cleaning the print heads. You want to make sure that you clean around the print heads and not on the print heads directly, so you're just going to go ahead and wipe around both sides here. You want to make sure not to touch the actual print head either on this side, but that's all you need to do on this side of the printer. Then we're going to move to the right panel, take off the 2 thumb screws off the top, and this panel will just slide off. From here, we're going to clean the docking station and the wipers. Again, with the docking station, you just want to wipe around the docking station and not on the docking station itself. We'll do both of those. And then all you're going to do is wipe both sides of the wipers here. Then once we're done with that, we're just going to put the panel back on, put the thumb screws back, we'll close the front cover, and then press enter, and the printer will return to this side, and then we can put the panel on the left side as well. And then we'll just slide the right cover back on and place both the thumb screws back. That's how you do the general maintenance on the Roland SP300i. It's pretty simple, really should only take you a couple of minutes. We recommend you do it at least once a week. If you liked anything you saw in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. If you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.